Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Transit versus the Ram ProMaster, two popular choices for commercial and personal use. We will explore their fundamental differences, helping you understand which van might best suit your specific needs. We'll cover everything from their core design philosophies to their practical applications, giving you a clear overview of each model. When it comes to performance, the Ford Transit provides flexibility with its rear-wheel drive and available all-wheel drive systems, offering enhanced traction. It also boasts multiple gasoline engine options, including a powerful 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6. In contrast, the Ram ProMaster comes exclusively with front-wheel drive, which can offer a lower load floor and better traction in some conditions. It is powered by a reliable 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine. Cargo capacity is crucial for these vans. The Ford Transit offers an impressive maximum cargo volume of up to 542 cubic feet, with an interior height reaching 81.5 inches in its high roof configuration. The Ram ProMaster is also very competitive, providing up to 524 cubic feet of cargo space and an even taller maximum interior height of 86 inches with its super high roof option. Both vans offer various wheelbase and roof height combinations to fit diverse needs. Beyond the basics, both the Transit and ProMaster offer a suite of modern features. You'll find advanced driver assist technologies in both, enhancing safety and convenience. The Transit often provides more factory-integrated upfit options, while the ProMaster is known for its exceptionally low load floor, making loading and unloading easier. Ultimately, both vans are designed for extensive customization, allowing you to tailor them precisely for your business or personal adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.